The internet is full of pirates plundering for booty, and new research suggests they're unstoppable. Oh hey everyone, Lacey Green here for D-News. Piracy on the internet, that's kind of a thing. If you're not familiar because you're out of the loop or you're a good law-abiding citizen, pirating is the act of downloading TV shows and movies, music and books off the internet without paying for it. Last year, policymakers in the Netherlands decided to take action by outlawing a website called the Pirate Bay, which is one of the most popular websites for downloading content illegally. And now, a year later, a study on the effects of banning the website has emerged. The big question, when Dutch internet service providers banned the Pirate Bay, did it help to curb illegal downloading? The big answer, no. Womp womp. The study conducted at the University of Amsterdam found that not only did it not help curb pirating, but the number of people pirating increased. Across all internet service providers, the percentage of people who had pirated in the last 6 months rose by about 3%, from 15.7% before to 18.4% after. That was the case for movies, TV shows, and books anyway. Illegal music downloads remained constant before and after the ban. So why did it increase? It's hard to say. The scientists made no conclusions about it. It would be kind of hilarious if the ban accidentally recruited more pirates by getting word out into the mainstream about downloading things for free. Whoops! What the researchers did note was that their research, along with other similar studies, found that there tends to be a period of lower downloading activity immediately following a ban. This is when people are kind of worried, they're learning about the law and consequences if they download, creating a deterrent effect. Then, after 6 months or so, the effect fades, demand finds supply, and people go to other sources to upload and download files. So this is all a very big deal to major media companies, of course. That 18% of illegal downloading in the Netherlands is actually lower than the global average. Worldwide, 28% of the population pirate content, and Spain leads the world at 44%. Meanwhile, the Recording Industry Association of America reported in 2010 that music sales were cut in half over a 10-year period, down to $6.3 billion from $14.6 billion. Forrest research found that only 64% of Americans who buy digital music think that music is worth paying for, and everyone's sort of scrambling to come up with a model that'll actually solve the problem and not make it worse. Some say the solution is stronger intellectual property policies, others say piracy is here to stay, so companies should get strategic about it. And of course, lots of folks fall somewhere in between. So let me know what you think about it in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe for more D-News Science updates every day, twice a day.